अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। क्या आज हम जो है हमारी एक और वीडियो करने जा रहे हैं एमसीक्यूज के ऊपर, जिसमें ऑलमोस्ट हम जो है 70 एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे होमियोस्टेसिस के ऊपर। शुरू करते हैं आज की हमारी जो वीडियो। बेटा फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज है, द टेस्ट व्हिच इज डन फॉर द किडनी फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड। ऑप्शन ए ब्लड नाइट्रोजनस टेस्ट, ऑप्शन बी CTVD, ऑप्शन डी, ऑप्शन सी polymerase chain reaction, option D DNA fingerprinting. So beta the right answer is option A, blood nitrogenous test is done for the kidney function. So the question number 2 is, in human, dash percent of uric acid is excreted by the kidney. ह्यूमन में कितना परसेंट जो है यूरिक एसिड किडनी एक्सक्रीट करती है? ऑप्शन ए 35, ऑप्शन बी 75, ऑप्शन सी 25, ऑप्शन डी 90%। बेटा द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, 75% जो है किडनी यूरिक एसिड को एक्सक्रीट करती है। सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, लैंड स्नेल एक्सक्रीट। लैंड स्नेल जो है क्या एक्सक्रीट करता है? ऑप्शन ए यूरिक एसिड, ऑप्शन बी यूरिया, ऑप्शन सी अमोनिया, ऑप्शन डी क्रिएटिनाइन। सो बेटा द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, यूरिक एसिड एक्सक्रीट करता है हमारा स्नेल, लैंड स्नेल। So next question is, the hormone which is produced by the kidney is, हार्मोन जो किडनी प्रोड्यूस करती है उसका नाम क्या है? ऑप्शन है एरिथ्रोपोइटिन, ऑप्शन बी एरिथ्रोपोइसिस, ऑप्शन सी एरिथ्रोसाइट्स, ऑप्शन डी ऑल आर प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द किडनी। सो बेटा द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, glomerular have special cells called, option A ionocytes, option B podocytes, option C leukocytes, option D erythrocytes. So the right answer is option B podocytes. And the next question is the correct sequence of blood flow towards the nephron. Option A artery, efferent arteriole, glomerular, efferent arteriole. Option B artery, efferent arteriole, glomerular, efferent arteriole. Option C efferent arteriole, efferent arteriole, glomerular artery. Option D glomerular artery, efferent arteriole, efferent arteriole. So the right answer is option B, arteries. आर्टरी के बाद अफेरेंट आर्टियोल, अफेरेंट आर्टियोल के बाद ग्लोमेरुलर, ग्लोमेरुलर के बाद फिर हमारे पास है efferent arteriole. So the next question is, which of the following has large diameter? Option A efferent arteriole, option B efferent arteriole, option C glomerular, option D all are of same size. So beta the right answer is option B efferent arteriole. So the next question is, how much normal urine is produced by human kidney in 24 hours? ह्यूमन किडनी जो है 24 घंटों में कितना यूरिन जो है प्रोड्यूस करती है? ऑप्शन ए 3 लीटर्स, ऑप्शन बी 2.5 लीटर, ऑप्शन सी 4 लीटर्स, ऑप्शन डी 1 लीटर। बेटा द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी 2.5 liters. So the next question is, selective reabsorption takes place at, option A PCT, option B DCT, option C Malpighian tubule, option D none of above. तो बेटा selective reabsorption कहाँ पे होती है? So selective reabsorption हमारे जो right answer है बेटा इसका है option A PCT. So the next question is, dash percent of glucose is reabsorbed at PCT. Option A 90%, option B 30%, option C 100%, option D 75%. So beta the right answer is option C 100%. So the next question is, dash percent of water is reabsorbed at PCT. Option A 50%, option B 65%, option C 63%, option D 67%. So beta the right answer is option D 67%. So the next question is, which of the following is secreted in filtration? Option A potassium, option B water, option C glucose, option D all of above. So beta the right answer is option A potassium. So the next question is, one of the following allow one sodium and one potassium from ascending limb of loop of Henle. ठीक है बेटा, ऑप्शंस आर Options are core transporter proteins, option B semi-transporter proteins, option C passive transporter proteins, option D ectotransporter proteins. So beta the right answer is option A core transporter proteins. So the next question is the counter current mechanism takes place at option A Marfegian body, option B vesa recta, option C peritubular capillaries, option D both B and C. So बेटा the right answer is option D. हमारे पास है both B and C are correct. So the next question is which does not maintain a stable homeostasis condition, rather it intensifies the change that is happening. बेटा द ऑप्शंस आर अच्छा इसका मकसद क्या है तो इनमें से कौन सा जो है मेंटेन नहीं करता हमारे पास स्टेबल कंडीशन को होम्योस्टेसिस कंडीशन को, लेकिन ये क्या करता है इंटेंसिफाई करता है और ज़्यादा गौर देता है जोर देता है चेंज जो आती है उसके ऊपर. ठीक है, ऑप्शन आर हमारे पास जो है नेगेटिव फीडबैक, ऑप्शन बी पॉजिटिव फीडबैक, ऑप्शन सी फीडबैक, ऑप्शन डी एक्सक्रीशन. तो बेटा द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी positive feedback. So the next question is freshwater organisms also have specialized cells located in their gills and skin which actively extract sodium, chlorine and calcium from external medium and excrete hydrogen or basic bicarbonate and bar acid base balance in the body fluid are option A granulocytes, option B lymphocytes, option C ionocytes, option D podocytes. So beta the right answer is option C ionocytes. So the next question is renal cortex produce an important hormone necessary for the synthesis of RBCs. रेनल कॉर्टेक्स एक हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस करता है जो आरबीसी सेल्स को बनाने के लिए लाजमी चाहिए. Options are erythropoietin, option B leukopoietin, option C thrombopoietin, option D renin. So beta the right answer is option A erythropoietin. So the next question is glomerular have specialized cells that are wrapped around the blood capillary that play an active role in preventing plasma protein from entering the urinary ultrafiltrate cord. ग्लोमेरुलस के पास एक खास किस्म के सेल्स होते हैं जो लिपटे हुए होते हैं कैपिलरीज के अराउंड, जो एक्टिवली क्या करते हैं प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन की जो प्रोटीन्स होती हैं उनको यूरिनरी जो अल्ट्रा फिल्ट्रेशन होती है उसमें जाने से रोकते हैं. ऑप्शन आर एपिथेलियल सेल्स, ऑप्शन बी पोटोसाइट्स, ऑप्शन सी एंडोथेलियल सेल्स, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ देम. So the right answer is option B podocytes. So the next question is tubules secrete ions such as hydrogen, potassium and ammonia into the filtrate while reabsorbing the bicarbonate from the filtrate are called. Option A distal convoluted tubule, option B proximal convoluted tubule, option C collecting duct, option D loop of Henle. So the right answer is option B proximal convoluted tubule. So the next question is glomerular filter rate is in which proportional to the hydrostatic pressure exerted in glomerular wall. Option A directly proportional, option A indirectly proportional, option B directly proportional, option C same as proportional, option D high proportional. So the right answer is option B directly proportional. So the next question is the capacity of living system to lose water is called osmotic pressure, water potential, osmosis, plasmolysis. So the right answer is option D plasmolysis. So the next question is the net movement of water remain in equilibrium when a cell is placed in option A hypotonic, option B hypertonic solution, option C isotonic, option D none of them. So the right answer is option C isotonic solution. So the next question is organisms that have internal body solutes composition isotonic to external. But the options are option A osmoregulation, option B thermoregulator, option C osmoconform, option D none of above. So beta the right answer is option C. Osmoconformers is the right answer. Next question is animals cells when constantly placed in hypotonic solution burst because of absence of option A chlorophyll, option B cell membrane, option C cell wall, option D glyoxysomes. बेटा ऑप्शन एनिमल्स के अगर सेल्स को हम रखते हैं मीडियम में हाइपोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन में तो वहां पे एनिमल का सेल बर्स्ट होता है। रीजन क्या होता है? रीजन होता है हमारे पास जो सेल वॉल नहीं होती इस वजह से। So the next question is enzymes are protected at high temperature by ice crystals, supercooling, freezing point, freezing tolerance, option D heat shock proteins। बेटा द राइट शॉक एब्जॉर्बर प्रोटीन्स होती हैं जो इनको एंजाइम्स को प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं। सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इट इज नॉट इट इज नॉट अ वे ऑफ ऑब्टेनिंग हीट बाय ऑर्गेनिज्म। ये एक तरीका नहीं है जिससे जानदार जो हैं हीट एनर्जी हासिल करते हैं। ऑप्शन ए सोलर रेडिएशन, ऑप्शन बी मेटाबॉलिज्म, ऑप्शन सी मसल कंट्रैक्शन, ऑप्शन डी स्वीटिंग। सो बेटा द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी स्वीटिंग। स्वीटिंग की मदद से हम जो है हीट को लॉस करते हैं, गेन नहीं करते। So the next question is this does not happen during maintenance of the cold temperature. Beta the options are option A sweating, option B shivering, option C vasoconstriction, option D हमारे पास जो है शिवरिंग। बेटा द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए स्वीटिंग जो है हम गर्मियों में करते हैं, गर्मियों में हमसे होती है ताकि बॉडी का टेम्परेचर जो है कम किया जाए, नॉर्मल किया जाए, ठीक है। तो इंक्रीज करने के लिए ये रिएक्शन हमारे पास होते हैं प्रोसेस। सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज excretory organ of human is option A flame cells, option B gallbladder, option C kidney, option D liver. So beta the right answer is option C kidney. So the next question is the hormone involved in reabsorption of water from the kidney. So beta the options are aldosterone, parathormone, option C ADH, option D none of above. So beta the right answer is option C ADH. So the next question is the most abundant component of urine is option A urea, option B water, option C ammonia, option D uric acid. So beta the right answer is हमारे पास जो है water is the most abundant component. So the next question is which of the following is called thermostat of the body? Option A pituitary gland, option B hypothalamus, option C kidney, option D adrenal gland. So beta the right answer is option B hypothalamus is called thermostat of the body. So the next question is normal set point of human body temperature is option A 37 Fahrenheit, option B 98.6 Celsius, option C 30 Celsius, option D 70 sorry option D 37 Celsius. The right answer is option D 37 Celsius. So the next question is a doctor asks a patient to use isopol with water in constipation so that stool become more hard, diarrhea occurs, stool becomes soft by absorbing water, none of above. So beta the right answer is option C stool becomes soft by absorbing more water. So the next question is clotting due to accumulation of platelets in example is an example of option A positive feedback, option B negative feedback, option C bacterial infection, option D viral infection. So beta the right answer is option B positive feedback. So the next question is one of the following is correct. Option A internal environment of osmoconforms are more hypertonic to external environment. Option B internal concentration of solutes in osmoconform is less than external environment. Option C internal environment of osmoconformers are isotonic to external environment. Option D in osmoconformers water potential is termed as solute potential. So beta the right answer is option C ऑस्मोकन्फर्मर्स और उनके जो एक्सटर्नल इन्वायरमेंट का होता है उनका जो है बराबर होता है हम कहें कि सॉल्यूशन और उनके इंटरनल कंडीशन, तो इस वजह से इनको ऑस्मोकन्फर्मर्स कहा जाता है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मेराइन बोनी possess which type of internal environment? ऑप्शन ए हाइपरटोनिक, ऑप्शन बी हमारे पास जो है hypotonic, option C, isotonic, option D, none of above. So beta, the right answer is option A, hypertonic. So the next question is fresh water excrete which type of urine? Option A, dilute, option B, concentrated, option C, sometimes dilute, option D, sometimes concentrated. So the right answer is option A, dilute. So the next question is human excrete which type of urine? Option A, hypertonic, option B, hypotonic, option C, isotonic, option D, none of above. So beta, the right answer is option A, hypertonic urine. So the next question is the point where renal vein and renal arteries enter and leave the kidney is named as option A, hilus, option B, hilum, option C, pelvis, option D, pyramids. So beta, the right answer is option A, hilus. This type of nephron conserve water in the body. Option A, juxtamedullary nephron, option B, cortical nephron, option C, both A and B are correct, option D, serotical nephron. बेटा the right answer is option A. Option हमारे पास जो right है इसका वो है option A, juxtamedullary nephron. So the next question is osmoregulators carry out excretion of salt through option A, gills, option B, fins, option C, scales, option D, bladder. So beta, the right answer is option A, gills. So the next question is it is a way decreasing high temperature of the body by organism. Option A, solar radiation, option B, metabolism, option C, muscle contraction, option D, sweating. So beta, the right answer is option D, sweating. So the next question is it does not happen during regulation of core temperature. Option A, sweating, option B, shivering, option C, vasoconstriction, option D, subcutaneous of fat. बेटा रेगुलेशन ऑफ कोल्ड के दौरान जो है स्वीटिंग हम नहीं करते. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेंटेनेंस ऑफ इंटरनल इन्वायरमेंट इज कॉल्ड ऑप्शन ए होम्योस्टेसिस, ऑप्शन बी एक्सक्रीशन, ऑप्शन सी osmoregulation, option D, thermoregulation. So the right answer is option A, homeostasis. So the next question is the major type of nitrogenous waste is or are. Option A, urea, option B, ammonia, option C, uric acid, option D, all of above. So beta, the right answer is option D, all of above. So the next question is the hormone involved in the reabsorption of water from the kidney. Option A, aldosterone, option B, ADH, option C, parathormone, option D, oxytocin. So बेटा रीअब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर हमारे पास जो करवाता है हार्मोन उसका नाम है ADH, एंटी ड्यूरेटिक हार्मोन. The thermoregulatory center in the brain is called option A, thalamus, option B, hypothalamus, option C, medulla, option D is amygdala. So the right answer is option B, hypothalamus. So the next question is temperature of body above the set point is called option A, pyrexia, option B, fever, option C, both A and B are correct, option D, none of above. So the right answer is option C, both A and B are correct. Dehydration is caused due to option A, infection, option B, water loss, option C, macrophages, option D, pyrogens. So the right answer is option B, water loss. So the next question is which of the following nephron absorb less water? Option A, cortical nephron, option B, juxtamedullary nephron, option C, both absorbs equal water, option D, both absorb less water. So the right answer is option A, cortical nephron. So the next question is a patient is brought in OPD with clinical symptoms like abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, back pain, high fever. The patient may suffer from option A, kidney stone, option B, kidney failure, option C, heart attack, option D, polynephritis. So the right answer is option A, kidney stone. So the next question is which of the following is latest technique for the treatment of kidney stone? Option A, Soleimani Dawakhana, option B, IV infection, option C, lithotripsy, option D, dietary control. So beta the right answer is option C, lithotripsy. So the next question is increased level of dash is called hypercalciuria. So beta the right options are calcium, option B, uric acid, option C, urea, option D, oxalic acid. So beta the right answer is option A, calcium. So the next question is which of the following hormone is present in high concentration in case of excessive loss of water from the body? Option A, vasopressin. Option B, parathormone. Option C, aldosterone. Option D, growth hormone. So, beta, the right answer is option A, vasopressin. So, the next question is stone usually found in childhood is called. Option A, cystine stone. Option B, oxalo stone. Option C, calculi stone. Option D, nephro stone. So beta, the right answer is option A, cystine stone. So the next question is which of the following is product of both osmoregulator and nitrogenous? Option A, urea. Option B, ammonia. Option C, uric acid. Option D, all of above. So beta, the right answer is option A, urea. So the next question is the mechanism of regulation generally between organism and its environment of solute and the gain and loss of water is called. Option A, homeostasis. Option B, osmoregulation. Option C, thermoregulation. Option D, excretion. So beta, the right answer is option B, osmoregulation. So the next question is active uptake of sodium is promoted by an enzyme known as. Option A, aldosterone. Option B, adrenaline. Option C, antidiuretic. So beta, the right answer is option A, aldosterone. So the next question is the statement about homeostasis is incorrect. Option A, because of this, the influence of internal environment are extremely narrow as compared to that of the external environment. Option B, there is a defined control or control system regulating the homeostasis. Option C, homeostatic mechanism keep internal environment fixed despite a change in the external environment. Option D, all of above. So बेटा the right answer is हमारे पास जो right answer है बेटा इसका है option C. So the next question is sensory neuron detect only internal stimuli. Option B, only external stimuli. Option C, both of these. Option D, none of these. So beta, the right answer is option D, option C, both of these. So the next question is one of the following is an example of osmoconformers. Option A, frog. Option B, rabbit. Option C, echinoderms. Option D, none of above. So beta, the right answer is option C, osmoconformers echinoderms को कहा जाता है. So the next question is which of the following produce dilute urine? Option A, freshwater fishes. Option B, marine fishes. Option C, insects. Option C, birds. Option D, insects. So beta, the right answer is option C, option A. Sorry, the right answer is option A, freshwater fishes. So the next question is one of the following prevent water loss in arthropods. Option A, exoskeleton. Option B, endoskeleton. Option C, mesoskeleton. Option D, all of above. So beta, the right answer is option A, exoskeleton. So the next question is which of the following is the major cause of loss of water in insects? Option A, exoskeleton. Option B, small size. Option C, excretory organ. Option D, tracheal system. So beta, the right answer is option D, tracheal system. Question number 65 is one of the following get water by breakdown of fat and other compound. Option A, human. Option B, camel. Option C, kangaroo rat. Option D, both B and C are correct. So beta, the right answer is option D, both B and C are correct. So the next question is the animals that excrete ammonia are called ureotelic, uricotelic, ureotelic, ammonotelic. So beta, the right answer is option D, ammonotelic होगा इधर. ठीक है बेटा. So the next question is the study of kidney is called option A, nephrology. Option B, cardiology. Option C, ophthalmology. Option D, dermatology. So the right answer is option A, nephrology. So the next question is ammonia is a toxic substance excreted by. ऑप्शन ए फ्रेश वाटर एनिमल्स, ऑप्शन बी टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल, ऑप्शन सी मेराइन एनिमल, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ अबव. So beta the right answer is option A, freshwater animals. So the next question is 1 gram of ammonia requires a dash milliliter of water. Option A 500, option B 50, 5000 milliliter, option C 1000 milliliter, option D 200 milliliter. So the beta right answer is option B 5000 milliliter. So the last question is animals that excrete uric acid are termed as option A uricotelic, option B ureotelic, option C ammonotelic, option D none of above. So बेटा the right answer is option A uricotelic. So बेटा आज की हमारी जो है वीडियो इधर कंप्लीट होती है एमसीक्यूज के ऊपर. तो इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज के साथ. तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.